Hello and welcome to Mrs. Adams' Kitchen. Today, Ian and I are trying to make some Country Time pink lemonade. Our first question is, which lemonade matches which recipe? You're right. Recipe A is lighter. It has fewer teaspoons of drink mix. Let me show you how Ian and I made the drink mix. First, in recipe A, it calls for 1 teaspoon of drink mix and 1 cup of water. So we're going to pour a cup of water into our water bottle.
Yeah.
That's right. Ian, you want to pour it for me?
Yep.
And we're going to pour it into the cup. Here we go. Alright, so we have 1 cup of water. Now let's pour it back into the bottle to make sure we have all the water needed. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of drink mix. Oh, let's look at this. Okay, scoop it. Shake it off, make it level. Pour it into the bottle.
Wow.
Next, we need to put the lid on and shake it up to mix it.
Ooh.
Ready? Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to start preparing recipe B. Oh, Ian's going to pour?
Oh.
Okay. Recipe B calls for 1 cup of water. Pour it in. Oh, we spilled a little. We're going to have to add a little bit more water.
Oh. Oh. Ah.
You want off?
Oh. 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 Mom.
Did Mommy spill more water? I did spill more water. Now, Ian, we need 4 teaspoons of drink mix.
Yeah.
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 Okay, you can count with me?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1. What comes after 1? Whatever. 2.
2. 3.
3, that's right. And 4.
2.
Good job.
Yay.
Now we put the cap on this one. And now we shake. Which one do we want to shake? I think we're all done. Recipe A, 1 teaspoon of drink mix and 1 cup of water. Recipe B, 4 teaspoons of drink mix and 1 cup of water.
Ma.
That's right. But Ian, how could we make recipe A taste like recipe B? That's right. We would need 3 more teaspoons of drink mix in order to make recipe A taste like recipe B. Are you ready? How many we count? 1.
Yeah.
What comes after 1? 2. And
Two.
3.
C.
Now we gotta mix it up again.
E.
Ian's gonna mix it? You wanna mix this one?
Go.
Okay. Alright, I think they're mixed. Let's see, do they look like the same color now?
Ah.
Are they the same color? Now, the recipes are the same color. How would these taste? How would these taste if we put both A and B together in one container? Would they taste the same? Let's find out. One into the container. You want to help me pour? Pour it into the container. And recipe B.
Yeah.
Container. They're the same color. The new mixture, recipe C, contains 8 teaspoons of drink mix and 2 cups of water. It should taste the same as recipe B since we've doubled all the ingredients. Say bye-bye.
Yeah.